Hello YouTube, welcome to another tutorial, well actually it's an installation video for Metro 2033, and if you would like to see any other of these games, how to install them, just leave a comment below. But what you're going to want to do for this one is, this one's pretty simple. You just want to mount the ISO to your CD drive, and there will be a link in the description for this game. And also I'm using Ultra ISO. You can just Google that and you'll find it. Then you're going to want to click on your CD drive, look for the setup, the application file. You want to double click it, click OK. Then you're going to want to click install Metro 2033 up in the top right. Click on accept, install. Sorry about that. You want to run the Razer 1911 installer.exe. Do not click on the one with the Steam logo on it. Then you're just going to want to let the game install itself to your C drive, unless you have another hard drive that you like to install your games to. I have a RAM disk that I like to install my games to because it has a 3.5 gigabyte a second operating speed and there's virtually no lag. So I'm just going to choose that one, click OK, click install. To continue unpacking file Metro 2033, disk 1_0 SID is required to install. This you're going to want to browse, and it will already be in your CD drive, and you're going to want to just double click this one right here, click OK. Okay, now I'm just going to cut the clip here until it asks for the next disk. Okay, once that disk finishes, you're going to get this again, and then you just want to click browse again, and for some reason it only shows up the right disk that you need. You just want to go ahead and double click whichever one is there and click OK. And I'll be back when this one finishes. Okay, once that finishes, you're going to get this, and it's just going to tell you need to crack the game. You want to click OK. Go back to your CD drive where you ran the installer. You want to go up to Razer 1911 and make sure you copy everything in this folder. You want to copy it, go to your C drive, program files where your game is installed, again unless you have changed the location. Open the file and just drop those right in here. Make sure you right click on a white spot, click paste. Do this for all conflicts, copy and replace. And that's all there is to it. This is just in case you don't have up-to-date DirectX Net frameworks, vCreds, and you should have all that. Then you just want to double click the exe. Well, first actually you want to make a shortcut on your desktop. you want to right click it and hold your right click down and drag it over. Let it go on your desktop, click create shortcut here. Now when you double click that shortcut, your game should load right up. And if you thought this video was helpful, or if you liked it, please leave a like, comment below, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.